Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Syncwire 40-watt 2-port 3.0 USB-C wall charger multi-port. Alright, so right here we have a 40-watt dual Type-C convertible plus chargers. So this is 3 times faster than the Apple's 5-watt charger. The Syncwire PD 20-watt charger, it can charge 30 minutes, the iPhone 13 Pro, versus the Apple 5-watt, it charges up to 20%, 30 minutes on the iPhone 13 Pro. So first off, you get a user manual. So this just tells you everything about the device. It does come with extra ports, so if you're out of the country on vacation, you have this plug-in for the EU. And then you get another adapter. This is great to have when you're out on the country on vacation and you don't have a plug for that area. This actually comes with the port, so you can take that with you. And then the device itself has a standard US plug. So this is a 40-watt dual device full speed charge, double the satisfaction in the same period of time. You can adjust the charging intensity. It's got over voltage protection, over temperature protection. So this is the USA plug. This is a type 110 volt. So this is an actual adapter. So if you want to put the other plugs on, you just close that one and it just slides right in here. So the first adapter, it can go for Japan, America, Canada, Brazil, China, Mexico, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Honduras, Philippines, Thailand, Taiwan. You've got a UK adapter for the United Kingdom. You got an EU adapter for Germany, French, Spain, and other EU adapters. So this is the Type-C. So this works with any device that uses a Type-C plug. It is a worry-free location, accompany you with a comfortable sleep. You don't got to worry about overcharging. It is a fast speed, so it charges faster than the actual iPhone 13 plug has. If you're looking for an adapter that you could take with you on a vacation, whether you're out of the country, this does have several adapters that you can use for those plugs, as well as the one that works for the USA. So if you're looking for an adapter, I would definitely say check this one out. This one's a really great plug.